Tired of being stuck on the Wrike sign-up page? Unsure which button to click? In under 2 minutes, you'll have your free account ready to go. We'll start at the Wrike homepage, then walk through each field and button click until you see your new dashboard. Click on Try Wrike for free. Enter email. Click on or use Google account. Click on Remember. Type your details. Click on I agree to the terms of service and the privacy policy. Click on Next. Click on Next. Click on Next. Click on Next. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.